Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I am doing a product review, okay? Not on one item, but on two, and it's all about Nature's Little Secret. So the products I'm going to be trying out today is the Avocado Moisture Cream and the Flaxseed Curly Custard. So both of these products, now I was going to do, my hair's drying up, okay. So I was going to do an individual review, but I'm not. I'm just going to go ahead and combine them just because with the gel, you know, with the flaxseed gel, I don't know if it's going to be moisturizing. So since I got this, I'm going to pair this as a base and then apply the gel afterwards. Is this a gel? A custard? What? You know what? I'm going to call it a gel. So let me go ahead and read the claims of the Avocado Moisture Cream. So all the way at the bottom, it says right here, our handmade avocado moisture cream will rehydrate, moisturize, and strengthen your hair. That is what I was looking for. So that's what the product claimed that it's going to do. So hopefully it does that. Okay, so it feels nice and creamy on the hands. As you can see right here, it's not super thick, but it's not like a watery consistency. So I do like the way it feels on the hand. The scent's not bad. It has like a very kind of like a clean scent, but let's apply. Okay, so it's applying very nice on the hair. Very soft. Not bad, not bad. I don't want to apply such a heavy amount because I don't know if it's going to weigh down my hair. So I'm going to be kind of light-handed. I'll try to be. That way I could just have like some moisture before I apply the custard. The light is going to go in and out throughout this video. Oh my gosh, it's so bright now. So I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to speed this part up so that we can get to the star player. I mean, they're both important, but I want to go ahead and get to the curly custard, so I'm just going to apply this throughout my hair. If I got anything to say, I'll say it.
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah, how would you describe the scent?
Almost watermelon-y.
Yeah.
It was super faint. Like, you'd almost not smell it. It smells really good.
It kind of reminds me of like the Irish Small Styling Cream, like the other hair product I have.
I can see that.
I can see that. But can you smell that?
I smell it. It smells like creamy.
It smells like creamy?
Like whipped light.
Finally, it's all over my hair and it feels very soft. I like the way it feels. It wasn't difficult to apply it throughout my hair, and it did have like a little bit of slip that I was able to like detangle my hair as well, but it just feels very soft. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gel. I'm going to apply the custard all throughout my hair. So let's do it. Our handmade flaxseed curly custard will leave your hair defined, bouncy, and moisturized. So it did say it was going to moisturize my hair, but it doesn't hurt to apply like a little bit of base. So let's do that. So as you can see with the product right here, it is very thin, and it kind of looks like a little like applesauce. It doesn't feel sticky, but it looks like it would have some good slip. Yep. Oh, this product has a lot of slip. That's a good thing. So let me keep applying it. Okay. I wonder if it's going to leave like a strong cast on my hair. Or I could smell it. It smells like a deep scent. I don't know. I didn't even read it. It says apply a generous amount to freshly washed wet hair, covering areas you want defined or slicked. Style as desired by air drain or use heat. I mean, my hair is pretty wet. You know, make my own rules. I need to describe the scent. It smells like a little like vanilla. I'm getting like Thanksgiving scent. Can you smell it from there?
No, it's very light.
Okay. Like, I want to see, but if I apply a lot, if it's going to give me a strong hold. I feel like it's not going to give me a strong hold.
Really?
Define, bouncy, moisturize. I'm going to put that to the test. Let's see how moisturized and like bouncy my hair looks. I like bouncy hair. So another reason why I wanted to like pair this product up with like a creamy product was because my friend tried it by itself and she said that it made her hair feel kind of dry. So because I had both the products, I was like, you know what, why not just combine them? But eventually I would try it by itself just to see, but not today. Today I want to see how it pairs off with the moisture cream. But I'm just going to apply a little bit more, like especially to the inside of my hair, because that's where I noticed that it gets a little bit more frizzier. Just want to make sure that that is all evenly coated. And then I will call it a day.
Ooh.
Yes, a day. Right now it is, what time is it?
It is 3:14
Okay. So
p.m.
PM.
Eastern Standard Time.
Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness for this.
In case you thought you were in some other time zone.
Just in case. Yeah, this is all that I'm going to apply to my hair right now. I'm going to go ahead and let it air dry, and then hopefully I can come back while there's still lighting. I feel like my hair is not going to fully air dry in time, but I'll come back, give you guys my first impression, and then we will see from there. So my hair is, I'll say it's about like 80% air dried. It's still pretty damp in the back, but as you can see with the lighting, I don't know if I look kind of grainy, but it is getting kind of dark. It's gonna rain, so we have to make my first impression short and to the point, because I'm gonna come back tomorrow and give you guys my overall review and all that good stuff. So as a first impression, this product did have an initial cast, but I did break it up, so my hair is feeling very soft all around. Like, it feels very soft. It's still a little bit damp, but it feels very soft, and it looks kind of weird right now. I'm not really feeling it. Like, some of it is like really elongated, and then the other parts are not. So hopefully day 2 hair looks better. But as a first impression, this product did have a cast. After I broke it up, my hair is feeling very soft, and I don't know. I think it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty shiny, and my curls are defined, but I'm gonna come back tomorrow to see how my hair looks. Hopefully it looks better, and we'll just go from there. So I'll be back. So today is going to be the second and final day of me testing out these products right here. So I'm going to go over the claims of them and then my hair checklist of things that I look for in a hair product. Hopefully this review is helpful for you if you're wanting to know the details about them. So let's start with, what are the claims? I'm going to start with the avocado cream. So the avocado cream right here, it mentions 3 things. It's going to strengthen your hair, rehydrate, and moisturize it. I can't tell if it strengthened my hair, but it definitely did not leave my hair feeling dry. So it did, yeah, it did moisturize and rehydrate my hair, because I did apply a little bit for day 2 and my hair does not feel dry. I feel like it's on the cusp of being a little bit weighed down, so I have to like mix around with how much I apply of this to my hair. But at the moment, it doesn't look weighed down, and it feels nice on the hair. So with the gel, what were the claims? I have to read it again. It's gonna leave your hair defined, bouncy, and moisturized. So my hair is bouncy, as you can see. Can you see this bounce? Like, it does not look flat. It has some good volume to it. It is not dry, so I'm not sure if it's the gel by itself or like the moisture cream, but my hair does not feel dry after using it for 2 days. And I think my curls are defined for day 2 hair. It's still got some good definition, so yes, it is defined. So now let's get into more details with my hair checklist. So starting with ingredients, it's made with nature's ingredients, so sulfate, paraben, phthalate, silicone, and dye-free. And then this is the ingredient list for the avocado moisture cream. So this is what the ingredient list looks like for the flaxseed gel. And then price wise, flaxseed custard retails for $14. And then the avocado moisture cream retails for $12. These products were on sale. I bought this back in May, okay? So they were on sale. They had free shipping and I think 30% off. So I bought both of these products for underneath 20 bucks. And that's with tax. That's all I'm saying. Next thing is hydration. So I mentioned it earlier, like probably like a minute ago. My hair does not feel dry after using it for 2 days, so I do like that. No dry hair on site. So now, how did it make my hair feel and how was it reapplying it? So when I did apply for first day hair, this product has a lot of slip, so I do like that. You have to make sure your hair is wet, so I did do that. I did spray water all throughout my hair, and this has slip. This has slip too, but not as much as the curly custard, but it was easy to apply throughout my hair, so I do like that. Now let's talk about reapplying, okay? Now I had to take a breath when I say this, because when I took my hair out of my bonnet, I didn't even take off my full bonnet. I just went like this, up, and then I saw the flakes. There is a lot of flakes, and the flakes, I've never seen it like this before. Don't get me wrong, with gel, I've seen flakes, but throughout my hair, like the back of my hair and then to the side of my hair, like I had a lot of flakes, and I feel like I still have flakes in my hair. But yeah, something, I don't know if these products do not work out well together. I'm gonna try out the flaxseed by itself, but on their website it states right here, let me pull it up, it says tips: Flaxseed gel naturally flakes, so we provided a few tips so you can achieve the best results and experience using our flaxseed curly custard. So number 3 says, apply custard to wet, not damp hair and work in small sections. So my hair was wet. It wasn't soaking wet, but I did have a spray bottle and I did apply it all throughout my hair. I'm not sure if it's a combination of these two that made my hair really flake, or if the flaxseed gel just doesn't work well in my hair. I'm going to try it again by itself, and I'm going to really make sure my hair is wet, and we'll see. But I don't know, man. Don't use too much product, just enough to saturate your sections. I mean, I did apply a good amount. On the bottle, okay, it says right here, apply a generous amount to freshly washed wet hair, okay? On the directions on the website, it says apply a desired amount to freshly washed wet hair. But on the tips, it says right here, don't use too much product, just enough to saturate your sections. So I was going by this where it states apply a generous amount. I'm a generous person, so I applied a generous amount. But I guess not, you know, because I have a lot of flakes in my hair right now. So I just wanted to say, like, you know, not really clear. So I'm gonna do this again. I'll do it again. Part 2. I did wash my hair again. We're gonna try this baby out. My curls are wet. I follow the directions. So let's see.
I forgot you washed your hair.
Yeah, I did. I rewashed it. I think I didn't even get to see how it looks, but what do you see?
There's still flakes.
Still flakes, but not as much as
No.
the first time I used it. Really?
Are you sure? I think it's just...
Wait a minute. I didn't check. I think it's not as much.
Go back over here real quick. Let me record the back of your head for you.
Yeah, so this probably just flakes on me.
Oh, you only used it by itself, right?
Yeah, I did. I washed my hair.
Dang, weird.
Wash my hair.
No, it's still just as bad.
Well, the last thing I want to talk about is the scent of this product, and I think it smells pretty good. Let me describe the moisture cream. This has a very, it's a clean scent, it's not strong, and it smells like the Irish moss silent cream. So if you have that, it smells the same. If you don't, let me describe it better.
Yeah, melon. It's melon.
But like not a sweet watermelon. Like
No, like a cantaloupe.
Let's describe this one. I'm gonna try you one more time, and if you don't work out for me, I don't know.
You're gonna love it.
This has like a very vanilla, like kind of like a sweet scent. Not like a bakery or like frosting, but just like vanilla. And it's not that strong, and it doesn't really linger on the hair, so I do like that. But that's pretty much what I want to mention with this review right here. I wanted to go over the ingredient list, the texture shot, how it looks after using it for 2 days, and some tips. Let me know if you have these products, okay? Let me know for real if it flakes on you, okay? I'm gonna try it again, like I'm saying, I'm gonna try it again. We'll see what's up. But if it flakes on you or if it doesn't flake on you, let me know down in the comments. And if there's any other products you would like to see me review next, let me know that as well. And I'm gonna call it a day right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.